How would you like to drink and grow rich? Well, in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to make a six-figure income using affiliate marketing with the best hydrogen water. But before we get on to the content, I want to make sure that you're liking and subscribing and turning on the bell. And of course, you got to comment below, because those of you that do that go into a drawing every single week and we give away one of our hydrogen bottles. So make sure to do that. Many of you are probably wondering, well, what is the difference here between affiliate marketing and a typical MLM program? So I thought just take a second here to explain it to you. So the first thing is MLM stands for multiple levels of compensation. So there's typically 6 to 8 or more levels deep. The problem that I see with this is it's like the game telephone. The source tells the person who tells the person, and pretty soon down the line, the story doesn't even make sense and it's not even true. Then your customer goes online and they start to Google it and they see that it's a network marketing or an MLM company, and pretty soon they're like, I don't want to buy from that because it has a bad stigma for that. The next thing, the downfall, is because there's so many levels of compensation, the products are usually overpriced, which again makes it harder for the salesperson because your customer's Googling it and sees, wow, I can buy the same thing over here for half of the price. So you're in a disadvantage. The MLM companies are also regulated by the FDA and the FTC. That means that you can't talk about income and you can't talk about the product and the benefits that it really can help people with. So affiliate marketing is different. There is only 2 levels of compensation. It is not regulated by the FTC or the FDA, so you can actually talk about the product and the income. And the price is much more affordable because there's not all the levels of compensation. So a little background on me, I spent almost 13 years in an MLM company, traveling and speaking all around the world about water and how important it is for your health. And once I jumped on the train of affiliate marketing, there was no turning back. It is so much simpler to educate the customer and get them happily involved. Why is the water industry the best industry to be in? Well, here's a few things. How many people do you know who drink water? Literally every single person on planet Earth. So do you think there's a market? Absolutely. Now, what are the choices out there that people have? They have bottled water, they have tap water, and then they have your product. So bottled water is expensive. The average person spends $5 a day, $150 a month, and almost $2,000 a year to consume bottled water, which is nothing more than your filtered tap water put in a bottle. Then it leaches all the contaminants known as estrogen mimicking compounds. Then you throw it away, it goes back into our environment. Not good. So when you educate people on that, nobody wants to drink bottled water. Then the other option available is our tap water. Tap water is regulated by the EPA, and there's over 60,000 chemicals in your tap water, and they're only looking at 91 of them. So once you break down all those contaminants and the waterborne pathogens, the mercury, the lead, the arsenic, the fluoride, nobody wants to drink their tap water, leaving us the solution. Now, our water contains hydrogen gas, another benefit. Hydrogen is the most powerful antioxidant, which helps inflammation in the body and aging. So the aging industry, nobody wants to age. So there's a huge global industry for that alone too. So those are just a few things here that hydrogen can do for your client. We're going to introduce you now to the best hydrogen water staple products. And then we're going to be talking about the structure, how you can go out there and make 6 figures a year or more in this business, and how you have all the training and all the support. So there's a very special offer at the end, so make sure to stay tuned. So here's our hydrogen generating unit. This is designed to go under the counter, on top of the counter, or mount it to the wall. It makes 3 different levels of hydrogen. So we start at the lowest, and then of course, as your body gets healthier, you can go to the higher levels. It also has ozone. So ozone is for cleaning fruits and vegetables, doing laundry, and there's a lot of other benefits. In another video, we'll break that down for you. Then we have our portable hydrogen sports bottle. Hydrogen is a gas, and so when you take your water places, it's going to be sensitive to the motion. So you can put your water back in here and recharge it at any time, and it's also great for traveling. So you definitely want to get this. Now this guy right here is very unique in that you can take water, push a button here, and make hypochlorous acid and hypochlorite. It's 80 times stronger than bleach and kills every single living organism. You can use it on your skin for eczema, psoriasis, acne, blisters, burns, or you can even clean all your countertops and your toilets with it and go chemical free. So here is our staple products. And so like I said earlier, give somebody a puppy and they have a hard time giving it back. So the model that we chose to use is you give it out. We also have the opportunity to go online and build a brand too. So stay tuned. How many of you want to go out there and make more income in your life? Well, I'm here to tell you that affiliate marketing is the way to go. So here's why. Because when you're in a job, you're going to be paid only what your time is worth. And how much time is during your day? You are limited. You are capped. With affiliate marketing, you have leverage-based income coming to you. That's effort from somebody else that you get paid on. So here's how this is going to look. First, our most popular pack is our bundle pack, which includes a whole house water filter. You have your hydrogen water from your sink, you have your portable sports bottle, you have your disinfecting spray. So all those are about $6,000. Now you get paid 20% from your direct sales. So based on the numbers, you share the water with 10 people each and every month. Typically 3 sales are going to come from that. So if you had 1,400 times 3, you're looking at about $4,200 per month just based on your own sales. Now, once you come into the program, we have an entire structure set up for you that goes 3 months where we train every single person through this business to teach them everything about sales, marketing, branding, hydrogen, you name it, we do it. Even paid ads if they want to do that. So you got that. Now those 3 get 10. Now you're looking at $700 indirectly. That's 10% from their sales. So if you did it correctly and you did the math correctly, you'd have 700 times 9 because you got each of those 3 people have 10 people on the water and they're each selling 3 bundle packs a month. So based on that, just on their efforts, you're going to receive $6,300 a month. Here's where the compounding effect happens and why you are unlimited. You are never capped. It's just how much time and energy do you want to put towards this. So imagine you have the $6,300. That's awesome. But you keep coming in here and you're inviting 3 more people each and every month. So now you have your $4,200 every month, and then each of those new people you're putting through our training system, and now you're receiving $6,300 every single month extra. Plus you have all the other people in place that are also making 3 sales. So what I've done for you is I've done the math, and based over 1 year with bringing 3 new people in and they each get 3 people, the income was $484,000. That's profit. You don't have to stock any inventory. You don't have any auto ships. That is pure profit. So how many of you would love to have about $500,000 a year in your bank account? And that keeps growing and growing and growing. Well, that's why I'm so excited about this opportunity. So let me share with you a couple other things and why now is the best time for you. So now you're like, oh my gosh, how do I get started in this program? This is unbelievable. You know the difference between an MLM program that's outdated and you see the wave of the future with affiliate marketing and you're excited to help people. So if that's you, you're money motivated, you're driven, you enjoy making extra income, you love helping, then we want you in our program. So for the next month here, the end date is October 22nd, 2022. We are accumulating a group of highly motivated people that are ready to go out there and take action, and we're going to mentor you. We're going to coach you. We're going to put you through our unique training systems. And at the end of the 3 months, if you are not happy with your results, you didn't make your money back, and you came to all the trainings, you did all your homework, and you still didn't achieve success, you didn't earn your money back, then we're going to give you your money back. You can send the products back to us in no risk guarantee. This is only for the first group of people because we want to prove to you that this is possible. And you'll get to see all the results from all the people after the 3 months has come. So if you're excited like me to have you in the program, then after that 3 months, you're going to be invited here at the retreat center, the home office, and you're going to be able to sit down with a group of individuals that went through the course, meet them because you've been working with them, and we're going to mastermind together. We're going to have higher thoughts. We're all going to be on the same frequency here. And we're going to develop the future for you. What does your future look like? Some high goals. And then we're going to develop a structured plan for you to help you go out there and even achieve more success. So if you're really excited, the next step is you got to either book an appointment, there'll be a link right here, or just go ahead and purchase the product. Once you do that, you'll get an email that's going to tell you the next steps. So for those of you that are excited, maybe you have a little more questions, book the appointment. For those of you that are ready to take action, click the link below on that aspect. You'll get an email, and then we'll be working with you very shortly. So again, thank you so much. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on the bell for notifications, and make sure to comment below because we give out products each and every week to those who comment, all right? So until we see you, be happy, be healthy, and be free.